A woman bought 600 oranges at 1,200 naira. If 20% of the orange got bad and the rest was sold at 25 naira for 12, find the loss. Okay, let's start by writing out the information that were given in the question. We are given that the woman bought 600 oranges. So the total numbers of orange, the total orange is 600. Okay, orange, sorry, is 600, and the price which he brought this 600 orange, the cost price of these 600 oranges is 1,200 naira. The cost price, okay, the cost price is equals to 1,200 naira. We are told that 20% of the orange got damaged. So 20% percentage damage. Let me just put like that. Percent of orange that is damaged. That is 20%. Okay. Please, I want you to pay attention. Okay, so that you are going to get how I solve the question. You understand? Percentage that is bad or damage is what? 20%. Now, the question I proceed and said 20% of the orange got bad and the rest was sold at 25 naira for 12. Selling price. Selling price. Oh, let me change this marker. Okay. Okay. Selling price is equals to 25 naira. 25 naira per 12 mangoes. Do you understand? That's the meaning of that statement. That is per 12 mangoes. So 25 naira. The cost of 12 mangoes among those that is left that is not damaged is what? 25 naira. Do you understand? Please understand the statement. The rest was sold at 25 naira for 12. That is every 12 mango among those that is not damaged. That means that the selling price, the seller sold it at what? 25 naira. Do you understand? Okay, now we are asked to determine the loss. Don't forget that loss is the negative difference between the cost price and the selling price of a product. You understand? So let's start. We cannot determine the loss. We first have to determine the numbers that is damaged. You understand? Please pay attention. We have to determine the number that is bad or damaged. Okay, so 20% got bad. You understand? 20% gets spoiled. So 20% of the total orange, that will be the number that is damaged. You understand? So bad orange, let me just put like that. Bad orange is equals to 20%. 20% is what? 20 over 100. So 20 over 100 multiplied by 600. You understand? I'm very sure you understood how I got this. Okay, 20% of 600 is what? That is 120. Okay, so among the oranges, 120 oranges is bad. 120 oranges. Okay, having gotten the numbers of orange that is bad, now we can determine the orange that is not bad. You understand? That is the orange that the seller sold out. You know, you cannot sell what is bad to customer. That's it. So for this, 120 is already gone out of 600. So the remaining orange, let me just put it, good orange, will now be the difference, which is 600 minus 120. So 600 minus 120, that is what? 480. So among the 600 orange, 480 was bad and 120 was 480 was good and 120 was bad. You understand? To get the loss, we first need to determine the revenue that the seller got by selling the remaining mango. You understand? You see, we cannot determine the loss. Loss is what? Cost price minus what? The total revenue, the selling price, the income that the seller got as a result of what? Selling out the product. You understand? So I want to get the income. I want to get the revenue that the seller got as a result of selling this 480 mango. Are you getting what I'm saying? So that's what I want to get. Now we know that the selling price of this selling price is unit. Okay, that is per 12 units. The selling price is what? 25 naira. Now, to get the selling price of 480 mangoes. How many 480 will we see? I mean, how many 12 will we see in 480? Please pay attention. This is very simple, okay? You know that the question says that the seller sold out the mango at 25 naira per 12. That is 25 naira per 12 mango. You understand? Now, I want to get how many 12 will I see in 480 mangoes? Are you paying attention? That means I'm going to divide 480 by 12. Do you understand? 480 divided by 12. That will be 40. You understand? 480 divided by 12. 480 divided by 12. That will be 40. Okay? 480 divided by 12 is 40. So now, that means that I will see 12 units of mango in 480 40 times. You understand? If I multiply this 40 by 12, I'm still going to get what? 480. You understand? So now, that means that the total revenue, the income, let me call it income, is equals to 40 multiplied by 25. So the income will now be 40 multiplied by 25. That is 1,000. So for this, I'm going to have 1,000 naira. So this is the revenue that the seller got as a result of selling out the 480 mangoes as what? 25 naira per 12 mango. You understand? Now we can now determine the loss, because loss is what? The negative difference between the what? The cost price of a product and the revenue or the income that is gotten as a result of selling out the product. You understand? And the cost price is what? 1,200. So loss is equals to 1,200 minus 1,000 naira. Okay? So the loss here is equals to 200 naira. Okay? That is the loss that the seller incurred, because, and the reason was that 20% of the total oranges got damaged. You understand? They got bad. Okay? So that's the solution to that question. See you in the next class.
To watch the next class, kindly check the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. Click on that link, or you should check the playlist on this channel. Okay? See you in the next class.